Here's a faceless YouTube video idea that will start bringing in money in less than 30 days. And I'm gone. Now break it down step by step so you have the video concept and the strategy to execute it and actually make money. So the idea is simple. You're gonna create a video that teaches people how to do something that you're good at. For example, if you're good at math, you could teach people how to do math. If you're good at guitar, you could teach people how to play guitar. The second thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna add a call to action in the video asking people to subscribe to your channel. And you want to make sure that you're doing this at the end of the video and that you're doing it more than once. The third thing that you're going to do is you're going to use a software to add a watermark to your video that says subscribe. And you want to make sure that this is only on the video and nowhere else. Now, the final step is to upload the video to YouTube and then promote it on social media to get people to watch it. And you can do this by putting a link to the video in your social media bio. And if you do this consistently over time, you will start to build up a network of videos that bring in a steady stream of income.